Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to pair remote. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the step as well. In order to pair an Amazon Fire TV remote, what you need to do is first method 1 is standard pairing, which is most common. So to do is simply turn on your Fire TV, make sure it's powered and on the home screen, then simply hold the home button, which is right here, and then keep holding it for 10 seconds. Then Fire TV will show a message like remote connected, and that's basically what you can do, and then your remote should be working immediately. The next method is using on-screen settings on the Fire TV. What you need to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside the settings, select controller and Bluetooth devices. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select Amazon Fire TV remote by simply tapping on the Add Bluetooth devices, and then what you need to do is simply tap on Add Remote. And then on the remote, simply hold home button for 10 seconds and wait for pairing message. And once that's done, your remote should be pairing immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.